Prompting is the art of talking to AI in a way that gets you exactly what you want. It's not about being technical, it's about being clear, being intentional, and above all, being curious. Whether you're writing prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, or any other AI tool, the secret is in how you frame the conversation. Let's begin with the most basic idea. A prompt is simply an instruction or a message you give to an AI to get a specific output. Imagine the AI is like a genie. If you ask, "Tell me something interesting," it might tell you about jellyfish that never die. But if you say, "Write a 30-second Instagram reel script about how jellyfish can live forever," in a mysterious tone, suddenly, you're giving it context, direction, and style. That's the heart of good prompting. Most beginners start with short prompts like, "Write a poem" or "Draw a cat." These are okay, but too vague. The AI will fill in the blanks in ways you may not expect. The more details you give, the more control you have. Instead of "draw a cat," try "draw a fluffy orange cat sitting on a windowsill during a rainy afternoon looking out at the gray sky." Boom! Now we've got tone, mood, subject, and action. Here's a simple structure that beginners can follow. Role, task, format, style, and tone. Let's break it down. Role. Who do you want the AI to be? A therapist? A marketer? A designer? When you say, "Act like a branding expert," the AI adjusts its personality accordingly. Task. What do you want it to do? Write, brainstorm, summarize, debate, script, be specific. Format. Do you want a paragraph, a list, a tweet, a poem? Let it know. Style. Casual, formal, persuasive, poetic, sarcastic, tell it the vibe. Tone. Is this meant to be funny, comforting, motivational, romantic? Tone colors the result. So, a great beginner prompt might look like this. Act like a YouTube scriptwriter. Write a 60-second script for a motivational reel about starting over after failure. Use a poetic tone with short sentences and a powerful ending. Try it. You'll see how much better the results are. Here's another thing. Don't be afraid to iterate. Prompting is not one and done. You might say, "Make it shorter, add more emotion, rewrite this part," or even "Give me 3 variations." The real magic happens in the back and forth. Think of it as a collaboration, not a transaction. Now let's talk about common mistakes beginners make. First, being too vague. Tell me something cool. Cool how? Funny? Weird? Historical? Second, stacking too many things in one prompt. Write a poem about love, war, freedom, heartbreak, technology, and cats. In Shakespearean style, but modern, and also funny. That's confusing even for a human. Third, not giving examples. If you want a specific style, show it. Write a caption like Nike's ad. Just do it. That helps the AI understand what you're aiming for. Want to get better, faster? Start saving your best prompts. Create your own prompt library. When something works, keep it. When it doesn't, tweak it, and learn from it. Eventually you'll have prompts for everything. Emails, Instagram captions, video ideas, outlines, even inner healing journaling if you like. Let's talk visuals now. If you're prompting AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E, the rules are similar but more visual. Instead of saying "beautiful landscape," say "a cinematic landscape with rolling green hills, golden hour lighting, and dramatic clouds." That gives the AI texture, light, time of day, and feeling. For visual prompts, words like cinematic, realistic, cyberpunk, low poly, vaporwave, 1960s magazine style all guide the visual vibe. Learn the language of visual aesthetics, and you'll unlock serious creative power. Another cool trick, use prompt chaining. That means taking the output from one prompt and feeding it back into another. Like, "Give me 10 business ideas using AI in fashion." Pick the most unique idea and write a brand story for it. Now give me a name and a logo concept. Just like that, you're building momentum, one prompt at a time. Prompting is not just about talking to machines, it's about becoming a better thinker, a better asker. The clearer your mind, the better your prompts. The better your prompts, the more powerful your output. So the next time you feel stuck, don't blame the AI. Ask, was I specific? Did I give it a role? Did I say what format or tone I wanted? Did I guide it? Or did I just throw it into the dark? AI is a mirror. If you prompt with clarity, it reflects brilliance. If you prompt with chaos, it reflects noise. Start small, experiment daily, and remember, in the age of AI, your power is in your prompts. Prompt better, think sharper, create more, because those who ask the right questions unlock the future.